Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the essentials, check device time and date, and make sure the operating system shows the latest update. Once done, connect to a trusted Wi-Fi or switch to mobile data to avoid captive portals. Now open Settings and go straight to Security or Privacy. You tap into Certificates and Network Warnings. This is where the Not Secure flag typically originates. Act now. Don't dig through unrelated menus. Focus on system updates and the security section first. Next, you inspect certificates, review installed user certificates, and remove any you did not install. Once cleared, forget the Wi-Fi network and rejoin it to refresh its profile. Disable auto join for open networks. Then, check VPN and proxy settings to ensure no unwanted tunnel is active. Make sure automatic updates are enabled so security patches arrive promptly. These steps resolve most certificate and network-caused warnings because they reset the chain of finish by tightening local protections. Enable a strong screen lock and biometric or PIN authentication so settings changes require approval. Update all apps, then perform a network reset to clear stale DNS, proxy, or certificate caches. After that, reopen the site or setting that showed not secure. Test in private mode to avoid stored data interference. If the warning persists, the troubleshooting tip is to reboot into safe mode or try another trusted network to isolate whether an app or the carrier is causing the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.